Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use two provide on your WhatsApp. You can use two provide. You can use two number to do your WhatsApp, to open your WhatsApp, and two person can be using one WhatsApp on your phone. So let's dive in. You go to our WhatsApp. This is it. Let's click on our WhatsApp here. Open your WhatsApp. And you go to this menu button, click on this menu button, click on settings, then you scroll down here, click on your account, then this is it, add account, and you can add another account here. And this is it. I go in and continue, and you put the name of the account you want to add. So you see, let's put another name here. Just click on next. Okay, let me go to let's put another name. You see, now I'm going to use two different. Okay, click on next. It's now connecting. Now they have sent two verification code. You have that account will has a two-step verification, so I'm going to put in the code now, and you're going to see now WhatsApp is verifying the code and verification complete. And this is it. This is the person looking for backups. Just skip restore, skip, yes, skip your restore, and next your WhatsApp is adding the account. Okay, let's wait for it to open. Okay, just allow it to add the account finish, and we're going to see how it is. I think it's network here. Okay, so this is it. Check status, connecting. All right, let's continue. Let's go down here. Okay, click on next. All right, let's do this one to now. I'm going to add another account for you to see. Let's wait for it. So you wait for it to connect, and once it connects, it's automatically you have added two provide on your WhatsApp. Okay, I think it is now doing Meet network. WhatsApp is adding the account, so just let's wait a minute. I wanted to see how it's going to look like. Oh, this is it. Enter your two verification code, and this is it. You can see this is the app switch. If you want to switch, you can see just click on switch account here, then you switch back to your normal account. You can see you can use switching back to the account. You can just be switching between the two accounts. It's so good. Wow, see now I have switched to my own account now. Do you see? You can see this is different. You can see. You can see. You can see. Let me now switch for you to see back. Just switch back. Wow, this is so good. You can use your two number registered on your WhatsApp very easily now. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button and share.